Welcome back, everyone. This is Thomas Triple T Tie with another new bullish crypto analysis. Before we dig in, when you find value at any time during this video, feel free to smash the like, ring my bell, hit subscribe, or leave your thoughts in the comment section. I would appreciate that. Let's dig in and take a look at Bitcoin on the weekly chart. But before we do that, let's look at the crypto market as a whole. Here's a heat map of the crypto market. It's bloody red. Bitcoin's currently at 38.7. It dipped almost to 38K flat. There was just less than $100 separating it from dropping to 37K, which I was anticipating last night and tweeted about it. Bitcoin's dominance is at 42.19. Ethereum's at 2.6K. And its dominance is dropped to 17.94. Even Luna is down negative 9%, I believe, towards 80. Yeah, everything else is pretty red. We got Leo up a little bit, but other than that, red. Let's dive into the chart. Oh, so not liking when TradingView does that. It's super annoying. You switch screen and it just, one of the text boxes just keeps changing. Okay, give me a moment. Get this back up. Okay, I hope they fix this bug soon because it's very annoying having to redo it. So basically, here's the chart here. This is the weekly chart, and we are here, right here. Let me change my mouse highlighters. You can see right here this white weekly candle here with a long giant wick above. So the market continues to be wary of the geopolitical and tension between the West and Russia due to Russia's invasion of Ukraine. Stock markets slid last week and are likely to continue this week. High inflation will only get higher with crude oil and natural gas prices, in addition to the other effects of sanctions rippling through the world. BTC's current weekly candle is likely to close bullish if it maintains a price above 37.8, which it likely will do, and that will stop the three consecutive red candles on the weekly, and that's good. It has a long top wick, as I mentioned earlier, and that shows downward pressure. BTC was able to break above the bearish descending triangle resistance line, which is this line. You can see the wick up here, broke above, couldn't sustain it, dropped back down, and it's back inside the triangle. It's likely to chop between 36.5K, which is this line right here, and 43K, which it has been doing for several weeks, a handful of weeks actually. BTC currently remains below the 50-week moving average, which is this big salmon line, pinkish line here, and it's below the bull market support band, this gray ribbon here. It did wick into that area, but couldn't sustain it, so it dropped back down, and that's a bearish move if it failed to break through. Down here, in addition to the Bollinger Band, it is currently below the middle basis for the Bollinger Band and above the bottom, so it's right in between. It has opportunities to move up and down. That's why I think it's gonna continue to be choppy. Down below in the KDJ, the white J line of the KDJ indicator deflected. It went down, was gonna penetrate, but because of that big giant move on the 28th, it was able to deflect off of the blue K line and the red D line, and it went from 30.8 to 38.8 near the bottom of the range. The bottom of the range is right around here at the 20 mark. Top is up here at roughly around the 80 mark. That's the start of the top range, and this is the start of the bottom range. I gave it a crab. Additionally, the MACD, the white MACD line, continues to trend below the red signal line. It went from negative 2,598 to negative 2,725. And it prints its 14th reddish histogram bar. And you notice that it's less red than the previous bar. So it's somewhat bullish trending, but not quite there yet. So it remains with a bear status. Down below, the red RSI indicator trends up slightly from 40 to 40.6 to 42.2. And I give that a crab, although it's trending up. It's not much to write home about. The aqua CVD indicator trends up slightly from 4.019 million to 4.022 million. Again, slightly uptrend, not much to write home about. Give it a crab. The white mom momentum indicator trended down slightly from negative 9.0K to negative 11.9K. Pretty much still remains horizontal, so it gets a crab. So overall, I forgot to change this. So let me change that. Overall, I would give the weekly chart more of a crab status. With the potential for a bear, because the macro environment is a bit challenging. So yeah, mostly it's gonna go crab sideways, chop, chop, chop. But if there's additional craziness in the geopolitical and macro environment, it could come down even further. So 2 crabs and a bear. So let's summarize. That's pretty much my summary. It's gonna chop, 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 and it's gonna go. If there's additional pressure, it's gonna go down even further. Yeah, that's it. Appreciate your time. Feel free to smash the like, ring my bell, hit subscribe, and leave your thoughts in the comment section. I appreciate it. It's Sunday. I might do another video later today, but I'm going to go play volleyball. So you all have a good time. See ya. Peace.